Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Teresa and today we are going to work on putting papers together for this journal. If you are new here, welcome aboard. I'm glad you stopped by. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. So if you like what you see, please give this a thumbs up and think of subscribing. And let's get crafting. Okay, so I'm just going to do one of each design. These are 12 by 12 papers. We'll use the others for like tags, pockets, different things like that. Look how fun that is. These are pretty thick. All right, here we go. So we're gonna do a couple different things with this, and oh, need to turn on my sewing machine, just a sec. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, way bigger. So this is a, let's look, 9 inches high. So we are going to cut this down. I think this one, we're just going to fold it straight in half. And sew along the top. And then that will give us 2 fun pockets on the side. So I think I want to do like 2 of these that way. Let's see which other one would be fun. Let's do this. There we go. And then this one, I think we're going to go halfway up. I'm going to set this right here to make sure that I have the whole right height I want. There we go. And I think these ones we are just going to, no, I want another one like that. I like these different folded papers in here. Okay. And these are just going to get cut down. Oh, can't forget that one. Let's make sure they're going to get cut down all at the right. Here we go. So we're going to go like a little bit under 9, since the height of this is 9. So what I'm going to do is do a little side pocket on this, because this length is 6. So, which will fit these 12 by 12s, but I think I would like them a little shorter than that so the pockets and stuff don't tuck out. I hope everyone is doing good. Things here are good. It's starting to snow, which my fibro body does not like. But my awesome acupuncturist did a treatment on me yesterday and feeling a lot better. Not as bad. I don't know, do y'all go to acupuncturists to help with my fibromyalgia? I do. I go to get an adjustment every 2 weeks, go to an acupuncturist, and then I, and then I go to, look how cute those would be. I go to a massage, so chiropractic, acupuncture every 2 weeks. And then when I can get into my massage therapist, I go get a massage. So we are going to, I want these kind of different sizes. So I'm going to just fold this. If I need to cut this afterwards, I will. I really wish my bone folder. See, it sticks out just a little bit. So we're going to chop these just a sliver. Okay, and now we're going to do the same with this. Before I sew them. Okay, I will be right back. So I found some lined paper, a bag, a bunch of goodies to put into this. But first, I'm going to just fold and get a good crease on these. hope everyone is doing good. I think I've already said that. I started this video in the morning and then I had lunch and took a nap. Welcome to how my brain works sometimes. You know, it's funny, as a kid, they fight and fight and fight to take naps, go to sleep, and as adults, we are like, yes, please. Even now, my kids, now they're college students, they won't take naps. Well, my daughter will if she has time. Okay, so I have all of these folded. I want to find one I like for the inside cover, which I don't really... I think I want this one in the front. How fun is that? That one's just cute. And then I think I want this. We're going to fold this the other way. And this is going to be our center. And then we have a few of these. I don't know how many I'm going to put in, but I'm going to fold a few. And you know me, I always love a good pocket. This is not what I want. Here, we'll use this, even though this isn't what I was wanting. And we're gonna chop off this top part because I like to have one side, one top. What these little baggies do is make it where you can have some really nice size tags in them. There we go. I don't know where I got these pages from. I think they were at the shop in New York when I went. I just don't remember. So normally I went through my Christmas bucket the other day and found like so many, like not a lot, but 2, 3 unfinished journals. Kind of crazy. And so I already have one person for one, my chiropractic's daughter, her birthday, and so she loves Harry Potter, and one of them is a Christmas Harry Potter, which I will do a walkthrough of all of them, just to give you guys ideas for Christmas journals. All right, so we have this, and let's just add one of these. And let's do this one. So these are all different sizes, which works, I don't care. So I have no rhyme, no reason how I'm putting these in here. I'm just kind of putting them in. And then I will be dropping these off at my mom's. This time of year, my hands do not like me. And I will have her sew them in for me. There we go. Let's see how that will look. Now these will get glued down, so that's a little pocket, but I need to find my circle punch to define that pocket, and then that will be a little pocket. Kind of liking these really little journal things. And then these ones I need to do like a little tab. And I'm still not sure. Okay, I'm really liking this. I am not entirely sure how I'm gonna decorate this. This is so cute. I might not do much except for like add a ruffle, fabric ruffle right here. Not sure yet, but here we go. So cute. Thank you for joining me. I hope this gives you different ideas of different papers you can use, and how to add them into a journal. I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.